How would you feel about a mobile phone that could only make calls? Yes, the phone in your pocket can do that, but it can do so much more. Yet many people still see the SCBA as primarily an air delivery tool. Yes, your SCBA can do that. They all do that quite well. But what if it could increase firefighter safety by providing remote monitoring, communication capabilities, situational awareness, or even physiological monitoring? Over the years, there have been a number of improvements in SCBA tech, but SCBAs have still been underperforming technology's potential. In the future, that opportunity will only grow, turning into a vulnerability gap that could put your firefighters at risk. The industry has reacted by bolting on additional features. It's as if you had a 2005 mobile phone and added the smartphone utilities as separate gadgets. With SCBAs, the end result has been bulky, awkward equipment that can sometimes get in the way. MSA's G1 is the only SCBA that is built as a platform, a safety technology hub where every function is fully integrated into its design. And the G1 is made to be upgraded and updated because the investment you make today is expected to last for 15 years until 2033 or beyond. Keep your firefighters out of the vulnerability gap with the MSA G1 SCBA. Contact us to learn more.